2002, the Walter E. Disney Suite on the Disney Dream. This is a beautiful royal suite. And we'll start here in the kitchen, which is fully stocked for us, anything we need. Not that we're gonna be cooking, of course. You'd be surprised how nice it is to have a kitchen on a ship, though. An espresso there. We have a stocked fridge, sodas and drinks, and the bare necessities here, of course. And this royal suite has 2 full bathrooms. This one has a toilet and a shower. And then out into the living area. I mean, look at the size of this living room. It's huge. We have 2 pull-down beds there, one right there, one bigger one right there. We have a nice sized table. We can order food from the main dining room, any meals we want from the main dining room. We also, because we're in a royal suite, can get Palo delivered to our stateroom, which is wonderful. And back here, we have the primary bedroom. Lots of closet space back in there. It's a television. There is a door that slides closed there. And look at this bathroom. Look at this bathtub. I mean, come on. A shower there, toilet, concierge rooms here. Have Bulgari products. Just nice. And that is our veranda out there, which is good, but that's not quite enough privacy for you. Right here, we're just gonna flip this switch and voila, privacy. Super cool. Okay, and then we'll show you one of the best parts of this stateroom is this veranda. It's practically the size of a small deck. This is all ours. Look at how much space we have, how many people we could have over. Great view off the front of the ship. And our own very nice size hot tub. We also have this open right here because we are traveling with the party next door. I'll show you how you get in there. Leave them all open to go back and forth. It's right back this way. You can get a connection to a regular family stateroom, concierge stateroom there, or you could also book this right here, this category 2A, which is stateroom 12,000. If you have a royal suite, they can open the door and connect, so it's basically one giant living space. If you had both royal suites, you could do it on that side. And I will give you a tour of stateroom 12,000 in another video. But this is the Walter E. Disney Suite. Thanks for watching.